apples.
No, they're not apples. Those are plums. Yep, those are plums. Go over to the tree and pick some more.
I think they're apples. Go, bud.
Yes, ma'am.
Are these all we're finished with that? We need to check Jacob's because he's just randomly picking it. What about are these good?
Looks pretty good to me. Yep, keep filling. We got plenty, man. Grab them up. I want those bags almost full.
I have a lot with me.
Caitlin's filling her bag up.
Jump up and try to reach.
Be careful, because when you shake it, I'm about to say that, you're going to bring some down. If it's good, just make sure they don't have no bad spots on them. If they got bad spots, throw them at the trunk of the tree. Yeah, down here, down the low spot. Right at the bottom between where the grass is at. Yeah, you got to get in a bag full there, ain't you? Be careful where you walk. You're walking on them. That's a composter. Uh-huh.
Nothing's a storm right in your garden too. Like a ninja. Like an evil ninja. Oh my god. There's a whole bunch of them inside. Where?
Look behind you, Caitlin. There's a bunch.
Where?
Right behind you. Right hanging a whole limb full.
Woo! Oh! Wait! Ew, there's kids on my shoe! Ah,
No, Plum. Plum.
It's on my shoe! Got it. We can snack on these later. Yeah. No, we're making challenges.
You can eat them as you're picking them, too.
Are you recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It's going on YouTube. You guys are going to be stars.
A shower. We're picking plums. Because you ate the yellow one. You ate the yellow one. Here, but
Oh, eat the skin first. No, man, you don't eat the skin first.
What? Put it down.
You got to take a big bite of it. That way you get a little bit of skin and a lot of meat.
I need that red one. Get it. Your bag? No. It was your bag. I wish that was cooler. What happens if they're like this? Or magic rock, I wish to be like
That's okay, because those like that I'll take and make jam with. Those you don't need to.
So small.
We got so many bad, there's gonna be so many bad ones like that. Still good to eat, nothing wrong with them, but great for picking jam. Not yellow. No yellow ones. Got to be red. Pick the red one.
Pick red. Is Aiden allowed?
That's perfect. Here, let's show them what it looks like.
Okay, yellow. No, bad boys. Red. Where did we put this?
Hold on, behind by the tree.
Yep. Your apples are really growing. And your blueberries.
No, those are plums.
Your apples?
Yeah, they're plums. They're not apples.
I found a red one. Just like a red one.
Here, over here. Look here.
Isn't this perfect, little bud? Perfectly
Come here.
red. Apple.
I don't know where he's going. Come back this way. Come back this way.
Ow! Bud. I see a red one up there.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them.
This bucket's getting heavy.
Well, set it down and just put the plums in it. Wouldn't that be the easiest thing to do?